In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, you want to go to a web browser and you want to search up Create Google Map. Then from here, you can click on the first link, and then you can press on Get Started. Now from here, it will show you the maps you have, and it will say 0. So you want to click on the Drive button on the bottom right, and then press on Create. And then now you have your own map. So you can choose pinpoints, you can draw lines, you can add braking or stopping routes. And this is good for people who want to show like relatives where they are or stuff like that. Or if you're doing it for a project for class, designing something, it's all good for you. Now if you go back, this map is going to save. Obviously you will name it. It'll show you the date created, and you can always go back on it. Or then you can share it if you want to share it to other people. And then if you click on the 3 dots, you can copy, move the trash, or open in a new tab if you want to make sure it reloads properly. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.